Nice job.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Forgot you like to videotape stuff. I'm in the danger zone.
So we're trying to carve out about half of this log here so we can save the inside, which is in perfectly good shape. There's a couple of deeper pockets of decay. And this one actually feels a little wet right now. But anyway, I think I did a video on this before that explains how the second log, first log below the sill here is actually worse than the sill itself. There's a check or a crack in the top of this thing, which is causing it to decay. Well, you can see here how it's simply been squashed and compressed by the ridge beam. So we're going to use some epoxy to restore the bottom of this guy, and anytime it goes more than half the depth of the log, we'll probably use some epoxy to take care of those areas too. But today we're just getting the old one out of there so that we can go back to the shop and cut the thing to get it in here and find out how heavy it's going to be. Right, Kenny?
Looking forward to it.
Yeah. All right. So anyhow, thanks for watching, folks. Bye.